In this video, we're going to be looking at a very interesting set of throwing knives from NedFoss. Stick around. Thanks for taking time to click on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friend. I want to thank all of my subscribers and welcome all the new visitors here to 411 Outdoors. I hope you find this content helpful and resourceful. Let's get rolling. This channel is just wide open looking at gear. I love to throw stuff. I love to shoot stuff. If I can throw it, if I can shoot it, if I can survive with it, if I can enjoy it outdoors, well, by golly, we're going to talk about it here on this channel. And today, it's all about throwing knives. And I must say, this is a classy little set. Let's take a look at it. So we don't have one sheath full of blades. We got two. And what's cool about this is you can put one on each side of your waist. So here's what each blade looks like. It's built to accommodate just about any throwing style. Very sharp all the way around. It comes with this rubberized handle, and they have the same weight as that of maybe a Smith & Wesson throwing knife, probably somewhere around 4.5 ounces each, maybe close to 5. So these are a little bit lighter than what I typically throw, but some people want knives that are a little bit lighter. I want to point out a feature that really stands out with this throwing knife, and it's the handle. With a lot of throwing knives, and I experienced this with my Smith & Wesson bullseyes, is over time, the knife gets beat up. And you can start getting little metal shards in your hands, as you release the knife. If it's got like loose metal shards, that can get into your hand. Well, I do like this protective handle here. I do like how this works. Now, I also want to say this. If you're new to throwing knives, you're going to miss a lot. And it's very easy to throw your knives over in the leaves or over in tall grass, and it's hard to find. I've had that happen, especially with throwing knives that were all black. These handles are going to make it very easy to find if you happen to lose them. These do have a sturdiness about them, and they are well balanced. Now let's talk about styles of throwing. This looks like it's set up well for a nice hammer grip. My thumb kind of comes in this corner. I can see myself being able to control this very well with my thumb in the corner. You can also kind of grip it down on the end if you want to close the distance, or if you want to pinch grip it just like this. As far as no spin is concerned, this does pose a little difficulty for traditional no spin throwers. I tend to do hammer grip no spin. I don't do traditional no spin hardly at all anymore. As long as you can work with it up to this point, you should be fine. With half spin, you do have to be careful because this is sharp all the way around. Like if I'm holding this military half spin style, I'm already feeling the blade digging into my hand right here. So you have to be very careful. You might want to go with a half spin style like this if you're going to throw it. Military half spin, you're looking at the potential of getting cut with the way the blade could come out of your hand. So just do keep that in mind. If you ask my honest opinion, I think these are designed for typical rotational throwing. As you can see, I've got the sheaths connected on both sides of the waist. All you need to do to keep these from getting in the way is just connect them in the back like that. The key to having fun with certain throwing knives is knowing what they're for and knowing what they're capable of. These are not combat throwing knives. These are recreational, get outside and have fun throwing knives. Let's try these out no spin using the traditional way here. Not bad. Hammer grip no spin. Right on. Gonna do some military half spin. Again, just be careful with your release, don't get cut. Believe it or not, I struggle the most with blades now that are lighter. I've gotten so used to throwing heavier blades, but these are not terribly light. They're sturdy enough to get out and throw recreationally, and I'm really starting to have a good time with these blades. If you're watching this video and you're thinking, man, these knives look cool, but I don't know how to throw a knife, I have a video on my channel called Knife Throwing Tutorial. Just type 411 Outdoors Knife Throwing Tutorial, and it should take you to all of them. Another no spin. As you can see, these hit really hard. So you can do some rock solid throwing within 10 to 12 foot ranges, which is typically one rotation. You can rock and roll with these blades. Let's do a little bit of a distance test. Let's see how they do on a 2 rotation throw. All right, it looks like they passed the distance test. Sometimes when a knife is a little bit lighter, it's harder to sail at a great distance, but these get the job done. The NedFoss Throwing Knives, ladies and gentlemen. These things are a lot of fun to get out and throw and play around with. A good starter kit for somebody looking to get into knife throwing at a ground level. I'll be dropping a link for you in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love hearing from you in the comments. Thank you always for your support. Take care.